Madam.
Okay, my name is Madam Aisha. I'll be taking you through mathematics. Take out your mathematics books. It's time to calculate numbers. Carry on. I can still see you with your business book. Okay. So, during our last class, we talked about. Do you remember the story of Kipchoge? The one I gave you. Okay, so last time we discussed Kipchoge came to Zitech University. You all know that Kipchoge is known for he's an athletic guy, right? What does he do? Yes. So one day Kipchoge came and was running around our field in Zitech University. So when we wanted to find out how many meters or how many centimeters that Kipchoge has used on that field, okay, we started from where he stood, the first step, the position from where he was, the first step. This is the field. So from where this is Kipchoge, from where he stood here to the end. So we say that when we want to find the distance around something, around a figure, we start from where the person started running, and for our case is Kipchoge. Okay? So, who can remind us, define the term element from the explanation, from the story which we learned last class? Yes, Ian, you are the first to raise up your hand.
It is the total distance around the field. Around the field.
Total distance. Someone wanted to say something?
Yeah, that's the same explanation as total distance around a field or a plane.
Okay, so to remind ourselves, let's remind ourselves a bit. Oh, I said that.
Solid, maybe try.
Yes, right.
Solid, maybe at the dimension of object that has maybe length, width, and height.
Correct. One clap for Caleb.
Maybe right.
Yes, yes.
Physical, it is a physical or geometric shapes that occupy the space.
Yeah. Next round. One clap for. Yes. So, a solid. These are figures. That have length, width, and height. Okay, let me decide what. Can you mention some of the solids that you know? Yes?
Cube.
Remind me your name. Oh, yes, Assisi. Cube. Anyone else? Yes, Linda? Cuboid. Cuboid. Marauni?
Trapezium.
Tra-
Trapezium.
Oh, trapezium. Yes, so these are some of the solids. For today, we are going to talk about today we are going to talk about cuboid, rectangle. Take notes, please. I'm going to erase after this in the triangle. We are going to look at the perimeter of these three. So let's start off with the perimeter of a cuboid. Okay, so I have this box here. It represents the shape of a cuboid. Can everyone see? Can you see? Okay, from what you have seen from this box, define the term cuboid so that you can calculate the perimeter. Ian?
A cuboid, it is a figure that has faces, edges, and what do you know? Vertices.
Okay, anyone else? One clap for Ian. Anyone else? Okay, so let's define a cuboid. Who is laughing? What is funny here? Are you hungry? Don't worry. We're going to break up soon. Don't take your lunch. Okay, back to class. A cuboid is a three-dimensional figure that has 6 faces, edges, and 8 vertices. Okay, so from our definition of a cuboid, we have seen that it has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. So this is our cuboid here. So these are the faces. This. So we can count them together. Let's count.
1,
Hilda, you're not attentive. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes, we have proven that a cuboid has three faces. So edges, these are the, what do we call them? These are the intersections that hold the faces together. We see that that's 12. So let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, so it has the areas are 12. I said that the intersection. So for the vertices, we have 8 vertices. The vertices are the corners. This one. Okay? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, these are the vertices. I also have Assisi of the tallest. Come on. Okay, so let's take a look at this diagram. We'll see that a cuboid, so we can see clearly from this diagram here, these are the faces, we have indicated them. Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, these are the vertices, the intersections, and then these are these are the vertices, the corners, and the edges, which are the intersections. Copy that diagram. Copy it. Continue. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay. Let me not distract you. So, you're still copying. You can just take a run. Copy, 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 copy. Make sure you get the parts.
Yes.
Are you done? Hi. I just done that.
Yeah, I'm copying.
Okay. Haven't I done? Okay. So let's take it off for disruption. Okay. So the perimeter of a cuboid is measured in units. Units, for example, the centimeters, meters, when we want to calculate. So let's take a look at one example. Right, make sure you are writing as I finish. Already calculated this. So, before we take a look at the example, before we calculate the perimeter of a cuboid, we all know that we have to have formulas for mathematics. Everything is a formula. So the formula of calculating the perimeter of a cuboid into length plus width plus height. So from this cuboid, this is our length the width, you can also see 1, 2, 3, 4. And also 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 heights. That's why our formula is 4 into length plus width plus height. Okay. So, find the perimeter of this cuboid. Continue writing. Okay, from this example here, are you done? So that we can calculate what together. Are you done? Yes. And see Ian and your sisters still waiting. Let's wait for them. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so we have said that solution, the calculation of perimeter of a cuboid is 4 into length plus width plus height. So it will be 4. What is our length here? No correct answers. Yes, Kyle.
6 centimeters.
What is our width?
4 centimeters.
Let's assist.
4 centimeters.
I've seen you raising your hand. What is the height?
3 centimeters.
So when calculating the perimeter of a cuboid, you add these 3. What do you get after adding 6 plus 4 plus 3? 13. Then you take 4 multiplied by 13.
52.
Okay, so the perimeter of this cuboid is 52 centimeters. Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
Why when we have a unit that has a square, like when we are calculating a 52 centimeters square.
Okay, you know for area, you are multiplying. Anything that you multiply is that way. That's why we are having the square.
We have doubled 4.13.
No, it's not this case. You see here, we are adding. Leave alone this, okay? So if this formula, let's say it's not big enough, you can just decide to, you have said that there are 4 lengths. You can just add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay? 4 with 4 plus 4 plus 4. Excuse me. Plus 4. Then 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Then you sum up this. So we just came with this because you are repeating too much. For mathematics, you just need, we use symbols. Okay? Do you understand?
Yeah.
Any more questions? Okay. Let's take a look at the. Have you finished copying? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, because we are moving the same pace. Don't want to leave anyone behind. Okay? So the second one is perimeter of a rectangle. Define the perimeter of a rectangle. Just a moment. I show you this first. You can give me the definition from here. So this lead here represents the shape of a rectangle. When this table here is a rectangle. Can you see? Yes. Okay, define the term rectangle. Hasisi, do you have anything to say?
It is a two-dimensional, solid with length and width.
Okay.
Length and the height. Length and the height and the width.
Yes. Anyone else? You see, from this point of view, when you place it this way, both of you are correct. Clap for them. When you place it this way, from the point of view, this becomes the length and this becomes the height. Okay? But when you place it this way, this can become the length and this becomes the width. It's just the same thing. Okay? All of you are correct. Clap for yourself. two lengths are equal and the two widths are equal. Have you finished writing? Kyle? Yes. What is the definition of a rectangle?
A rectangle is a two-dimensional figure with four sides, in which two legs are equal and the two widths are equal.
Okay, so the perimeter of continue writing. The perimeter of a rectangle is measured in units. It's also the same thing. For example, the centimeter and the meter. So, since that we are interested in the shape of the rectangle, the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus width. Are you done? Are you done? Yes. Okay, so Karanja, you asked for the square root multiplying 4 and explain. Can you explain to the rest of the class why you are multiplying 2?
Why?
We are multiplying 2, so I think I understand the concept more better now.
You have already explained it this morning.
So you understand? Yes. Okay. So let's take a look at this rectangular shape. You can see. So this. Let's pay attention here. These are the lengths. See, we have that equal. If we could take here our ruler and measure, we will find the same length. Okay. Yes. And the width are also equal. So that's the perimeter of a rectangle. And also it's very useful to know the perimeter of a rectangle. For instance, this classroom, it's rectangular in nature, can you see? Yes, that's why it's very important to know the perimeter of a rectangle because those constructors, the one who designed this table, used to know the perimeter of a rectangle. So let's take a look at one example. Please copy the question. See? Are you trying to say? Yes? Do you have anything to say to the rest of the class? Okay. Continue copying. I hope you're done with this part.
Yes, we are.
Have you finished copying the question? So that we can calculate together. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so the perimeter of a rectangle, we have said that it is 2 into length plus width. What is our length here? Just read that. 10. And what is our width? 5. Okay, so someone can make for us. What is the answer? Yes, Karanja?
30 centimeters.
The first one to raise your hand, okay?
30 centimeters.
30 centimeters. You see, these things are not difficult, they're very easy, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so let's take a look at our last topic, which is the perimeter. No, they're not active in class. Sorry for the no, but be active and no attention. Perimeter of a triangle. Say triangle. Yes. So, this I have this pattern of milk here. This represents the shape of a triangle. Can you see it, Karen?
Yes.
Can someone define the term rectangle with this figure? Karanjo, do you have anything to say?
Three-sided figure.
Okay. Anyone else? Yes?
It is a three-sided figure with a pencil.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. So perimeter, it has two sides but start. Okay, definition. Please write triangle. Okay, triangle is a two-dimensional figure with three sides. Okay? I also have let's maintain our focus. Let's okay with the phone. Okay, so this is our triangle. You can see we say that the edges, these are that make this triangle to be formed. Okay.
Yes.
So we can see that this triangle of ours has three edges, and we say that vertices, these are the corners. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a demonstration of a triangle. Okay. It has three sides. 1, 2, 3. So the perimeter, let's write. The perimeter of a triangle is measured in units. Perimeters are always measured in units. For whatever solid it is, make sure that you remember this. Okay, let's have one example. From this example, you can see that all sides are equal for this triangle. You can remind us what type of triangle is this? Yes, Caleb? Yes, it's an equilateral triangle. And whenever we have a triangle, let's say what type of triangle is this? Yes, Kasisi? Yes, isosceles. Meaning that this is a two-sided, two sides are equal, these three sides are equal. Okay? So we are forgetting the perimeter of a triangle is calculated by A plus B plus C. We have said that perimeter is the distance all around the figure. Okay? Who can give us the answer here? Yes? Hilda? 30 meters. Have you understood? Yes. Is there any question? Okay. What is the formula of calculating the perimeter of a triangle? Yes, Khalid.
I can say the formula is half.
Khalid, were you attentive in class?
No.
Yes.
Repeat the question.
What is the perimeter of a cuboid, a triangle, and a rectangle. You should also be able to familiarize yourself with the formulas of the three solids and also be able to calculate. Okay? So, please make sure you're holding. Okay, we start. I'll be going around. Also have a calculator. Once. How do you do it? Around here, you know the first one.
Yes.
Continue. Okay. And see my objectives that I achieved today. Yes.
Not yet done.
Okay. Now we have to.
Almost.
Oh, you are a very good student. Maroni? Number 2. Where? Maroni.
Yes, I've put it.
You have gotten the concept. Okay. In case you have not gotten it, we'll go through it together again. Which one is number 3? Number 3. Okay. Good student. Yeah? Alan? You're done with the 3 of them?
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
Maroni, are you having difficulties? You can say it together on the board. Let Karanja assist you if you need any assistance over there. Yes? Okay, you're done with the 3. Maroni, have you understood? It's the rectangle which is challenging you. We said that Maroni for the rectangle, okay, we are adding all around the figure. So if it's not a must to cram the formula, you can just add 10, and we say that the ends are equal and the widths are equal. So just add 10, 5 plus 10 plus 5. Okay? Yes, Ian? Do you have any questions? I've seen you raising your hand. Okay, so anyone with a question? perimeter of a triangle, so that you can know what's the measurement of this carton and the weight that is going to go inside the